Routes. Where is the conversation going? I'll show you how to make an AI agent know that. Now we want to upload that route video to YouTube so you can check it out. How are we going to do that? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come to our YouTube channel, and I'll back out, get to the beginning. Go to the channel, make sure you subscribe when you come by the channel. Always love the support, but here's the channel. We're getting it up and rolling. I need to come up here to the top right and click on create a video. We're going to go upload video. Hang out live. If you have a question, make sure and drop it in the comments. I'll come get it later. We're going to go upload videos right here on select files, and we want that first one we just did, the Vertex AI routes. We're going to click open. Okay, we're going to upload that right now. And we're going to say Vertex AI. So we need to introduce this. We're going to go bizrise.io, which is the web app. Vertex AI routes. Conversational AI. Okay. And for our description, what we're going to do there is I'm going to use the downloaded text transcription that I did from that tutorial. Why not? Okay, know your route. Boom. Sorry, I'll get that screen back open over here. Channel content. So this was the transcription from the video, right? Know your route. It organizes it. It looks good. You export it. Life is good. We just did on Canva. Let's upload that. Vertex AI agent routes. We're going to go into our playlist. Let's search for it. It should be Vertex something. Vertex AI conversation. Okay. Done. Done. Now for the settings. No, it's not made for kids. It doesn't mean kids can't watch it. It just means it's not a blippy video. Okay. Show more, age restriction. It is not a paid promotion. This is my product. I did not alter anything. I do it live. Tags, let's go. Vertex agent, Vertex AI, conversational AI customer service, bizrise.io, boom, easy money, language, English. It has not been on TV today. Colorado, baby. Boom. Other standard, how to, science and tech. Or is it a how to? How to. Okay, bing. Next. Subtitles, no, we don't need to because we have it from, oh no, we're good there. We have it from the transcription from Podcast Editor. So we are already subtitled. We just add an auto end screen. Click next. Checks, good, check it. Public, everyone can watch. We're launching now. We don't need to schedule it, and we're going to click publish. Okay, now we have our YouTube video. We're going to leave that window open. Leave it open because now where we need to go is we need to go to Wix, and we need to post that as a blog post, ladies and gents. Let's go to Wix, log into the account here. Boom, continue. This is the original e-commerce mission here, all right? So now we are going to continue into that. Continue, sign in with a passkey. We're just going to rip out content. And for anybody that thinks content takes a ton of time, like, yes and no, right? If you're comfortable going live, it's going to save you a shitload of time. Is it perfect? No. Is it authentic? Yes. What's more important to you? So now I got to go blog post. So I'm going to stop that recording and we're going to start another one.